In the world of investments, there's an age-old adage, this time it's different. Often used with a hint of skepticism, it refers to the belief that prevailing circumstances have changed so significantly that old rules no longer apply. In the case of offshore oil drilling, where cyclicality is the norm, it's essential to recognize that no two cycles are identical. Yet, there is a fundamental principle that continues to hold true: the bigger the bust, the longer and more significant the ensuing boom. This article explores the intriguing dynamics of the offshore drilling industry and presents a compelling investment opportunity that might just be the exception to the rule. In the midst of a world where offshore drilling fleets have seen high demand, one might expect a resurgence in new-build rig construction. However, Terry Childs, head of Westwood's RigLogix division, suggests otherwise. Even if a rig owner secures financing, few shipyards are eager to embark on new projects. Widespread experiences of non-payment for previous projects have left shipyards understandably cautious. Furthermore, many yards have either left the business or undergone consolidation processes, reducing the available options for new-build rigs. Consider the costs. The price tag for constructing a new drillship is substantial, exceeding $1 billion, with a construction period of roughly 3 years. To achieve a standard 12 to 15% return on investment over the vessel's anticipated 25-year lifespan, a day rate of $650,000 to $700,000 is required, assuming 90 to 95% utilization. For jackups, the cost is still substantial at $250 to $300 million, with a delivery time of up to 2.5 years. The economics dictate a 15% ROI for a new build, with similar utilization rates and a day rate of $200,000 to $230,000 per day over the rig's 25-year lifespan. A long-term perspective. Building a new rig is not a decision to be taken lightly. Rig owners require a 5-year initial term to even consider such an endeavor. Few regions offer this kind of scope, but promising opportunities can be found in areas like Brazil and Africa. Recent developments indicate potential growth in the offshore drilling industry, but don't expect a significant increase in the global rig fleet until well beyond 2030. An investment opportunity. The offshore rig sector has been undervalued and overlooked for years, making it ripe for investment. If we look at benchmarks like Transocean Shelf Drilling, both of which avoided bankruptcies since 2020, we see that they are only just above January 2020 levels. The potential for substantial returns in this sector is immense. Conclusion. The offshore rig industry has experienced its fair share of challenges, but this adversity has created a unique investment opportunity. While the journey might be long, the returns are expected to be substantial. The offshore rig sector is poised for a renaissance, offering investors the prospect of watching their investments grow from a modest position to substantial gains. In a world where oil and gas services have been largely unloved, this trade stands as a beacon of hope, ready to reward those who recognize its potential. Don't miss the boat, the offshore rig revival is here, and the time to invest is now. For more information on how to invest in this sector, check the link in the description box.